Oh wow, it's a small phone. Come on. Nice, it's ITEL. Ah, I remember now. I know how to do this. It's an ITEL.
So yeah, have you ever picked a phone on the load side? Then you say, oh, let me just start using it, maybe for a trap phone, something like that. But you realize there are no buttons. Don't worry. I'm teaching you this life hack, how to work with this. Don't need to type anything, you don't have to start typing. Let's turn it on. Just turn it on. It's not turning on, but let me teach you how. So you're stuck with an ITEL, busy texting your ex. No, babe, why are you taking long? No, my buttons. It's just that. Don't take long, guys. Let's Chat has brought you this feature. Why are you asking this won't work in any form? It works in any ITEL, whether you just picked it up, you have it in your home, it works. How are you going to use this? It doesn't work with the buttons. How am I going to use RaceChat? RaceChat brings you a great feature to use voiceover. Okay, like you go to your RaceChat, put your mouth. I know it has a mouthpiece. So it has a mouth. It doesn't have buttons to press, but it has the mouthpiece. So you put there, say, hello, I'm stuck near Chalalamo, but I would want you to come and get me. The voice note will go. I'm not saying when you pick it up it will have Let's Chat in its own. No, you just have to head to Let's Chat Facebook page. Just say, hello, I have a chilanganda. Don't say you picked it up. You have a chilanganda. I could like it to have like a Let's Chat in my phone. They'll help you in less than 1 minute. 1 minute of your time. Okay, so you have RaceChat in this phone. Believe it or not, it's happening. It's real. You don't have to complain about your buttons. My buttons. I can't place zero. No, listen. With VoiceOver, you don't have to place anything. You don't have to place anything. Okay, they will install RaceChat in this. Click the button. Start saying, I'm on my way right now, please. I was just doing some makeups, but I'll be there like in about 3 minutes. The voiceover will go. Don't waste time. No. The A is not placing. Okay, how can I place? Oh, you don't need to place anything. Send a voice note. Let's chat. The cat.